Why don't snakes bite gardeners? Because they have green thumbs that taste terrible. Welcome to our unusual blend of botany and herpetology, where we unearth the top 5 plants that will keep your yard snake-free. Imagine a garden where the only slithering you experience is from the garden hose. It's a strange mix, we admit, but who said that gardening couldn't be adventurous? So, fasten your gardening gloves and prepare for a horticultural journey like no other. Now that we've tickled your funny bone, let's dive into the green world of gardening, with a slithery twist. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the vibrant marigolds. These golden beauties are more than just a pretty face, folks. They pack a punch with their distinctively strong aroma, which, believe it or not, is a total turnoff for our slithering friends. You see, snakes, much like certain roommates we won't mention, have a thing about strong smells. And the marigold? Well, let's just say it's the equivalent of a noxious week-old gym sock to them. But don't let that analogy turn you off. To us humans, marigolds give off a pleasant, spicy aroma that can add a dash of olfactory delight to your garden. Plus, their radiant blooms are an absolute feast for the eyes. So you're essentially getting a 2-for-1 deal here. A burst of color and a snake repellent. So for a snake-free garden that's bursting with color, marigolds are your go-to. Slithering in at number 4, it's the aromatic lemongrass. This plant is not just a culinary delight, it's a snake's worst nightmare. Why, you ask? Well, the lemongrass with its strong citrusy scent is a powerful deterrent for those slithery creatures. Yes, you heard it right, snakes aren't too fond of citrus. In fact, they would rather slide away than get a whiff of this zesty plant. But wait, there's more. Not only does lemongrass keep snakes at bay, it also repels mosquitoes. Talk about a double whammy of pest protection. So whether you're dealing with a snake slalom in your backyard or a mosquito marathon on your patio, lemongrass has got you covered. Plant it around the perimeter of your yard for the best results. So folks, that's lemongrass for you. A simple, fragrant, and effective solution to your snake problems. At number 3, we have a kitchen favorite that snakes utterly detest: garlic. Now you might find this surprising, but snakes aren't fans of garlic. In fact, they despise it. Why? Because the strong smell of garlic is like a punch to their olfactory senses. It's pungent, it's powerful, it's an excellent snake repellent. But that's not the only reason to plant garlic in your garden. Apart from being a snake's worst nightmare, garlic is pretty easy to maintain. It's a hardy plant, resistant to most pests and diseases. Plus, it's a great companion plant. It helps deter other pests and can even improve the health and flavor of certain other plants when grown together. And let's not forget, garlic is a culinary superstar. It enriches your dishes and your health. So even if you're not a snake-fearing gardener, planting garlic will yield you plenty of benefits. Garlic, saving your garden from snakes and your meals from being bland since forever. Our runner-up plant is as intimidating to snakes as its name suggests: the mother-in-law's tongue. This plant, also known as Sansevieria, boasts a unique feature that makes it unsuitable for our slithering, uninvited guests. It has stiff and sharp leaves that can grow up to 4 feet tall, making it quite unwelcoming for snakes who prefer softer terrain. But that's not all. This plant doesn't just ward off snakes, it also offers a breath of fresh air, quite literally. Known for its air-purifying qualities, the mother-in-law's tongue filters out toxins from the air and releases oxygen, a bonus for any garden owner. So if you're looking for a plant that not only keeps snakes at bay, but also contributes to a healthier environment, this might just be your perfect pick. With the mother-in-law's tongue, snakes will definitely think twice before sneaking into your garden. And top of our list, the most effective snake-repelling plant, the mighty wormwood. This plant's potent aroma is like kryptonite to snakes, making it a natural barrier for your yard. It's not just a snake repellent though. Wormwood is also known for its use in traditional medicine, having been used to treat various ailments for centuries. Its bitter taste is another reason snakes steer clear of it. So there you have it, wormwood, the ultimate plant warrior in your battle against snakes.